I got
one girl from Philly, I think her name Nikki, and I fuck with Nikki, cause she not too picky, and she not too choosy, but sometimes she bougie. I play with a kitty, until it gets sticky. I'm moving the bitch, chill like an alien. Chop with the 50, my Uzi is ready. Say I turn to the boss, can't deal with no middleman. Anthony Davis, don't deal with the belly. Straight out the mud, turn you to the ground, you sound like a smell, you deal with the slum. I see how I feel, and I do what I want, and not just because it is what it was. Don't tell it to grab it. I say I got the shit out the mud, my mind is getting this blood. I just saw his mother, I gave up. It's talking about the work, nigga, just how that supply that stuff. 100 rounds in the compact contact. I brought it from the beach from your hometown project. Open up my mouth, but my dick on the side that. She don't get out, but she keep on the contact. They want them, LF, keep the contact. Yes, close catch that nigga can't find it. Baby, where you mind it? Come here, girl, sign it. Matter of fact,
what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So we just got the AC Freon pressure switch from AutoZone. We picked it up, so we're gonna go ahead and put it on Jana's car. Hopefully the AC will turn on. Hopefully we don't have any other leaks. So once we switch that over, we're gonna have to vacuum the system. Still about 10 minutes should be good enough, and then we're gonna go ahead and recharge the AC system to spec. Hopefully the AC blows cold. If it doesn't, then we're gonna have to figure out what's going on and check on voltages on the AC compressor. So let's go ahead and jump on that. Definitely going cold, guys. Ice cold. Yes. We're just gonna roll the windows all the way up. Run it for a few bit. Let's see if the AC runs out of Freon or not. I'm hoping that there isn't any leak, because if there is, then it'll suck. Hopefully it's not an evap, but it doesn't smell like the Freon is leaking through the evap, which is really good. But overall, it feels really nice. Damn, I'm stoked.
Oh, it's cold.
It's nice.
Ah, it feels nice.
I never thought this AC would work after sitting for this long. It's so nice. Are you in heaven?
I'm just glad it works.
Yeah, it does.
Mine looks better than yours.
What, the interior?
Yeah.
I know. These seats are really nice though. I'm kind of jealous.
Oh, I forgot to order my...
The shift knob? But we can look later on today. I think it feels really good. Okay.
What is this?
Your front license plate.
Oh.
Well, we did it. We got the AC going. High five for that.
Mm-hmm.
She's excited, guys. And of course, she didn't really drive the car yet. Today was supposed to be the day. No, you didn't. Maybe tomorrow. Drive the car tomorrow? Yeah. So we're gonna just test the car tomorrow. Well, she is gonna drive the car for the very first time. Thank God. At least that way she can actually learn how to use the clutch. Mind you, this is a stage 3 competition clutch that was in the car. It's a 6-puck. According to what my friend said, put it in 8 years ago. But yeah, ooh, this feels really nice. I think I'm gonna go for a drive-in, see how everything goes. So we just got back home on the road test. Car runs perfect. I don't notice any performance drop on the car. AC stayed cold the whole time. I think everything else on the AC system and performance is running top shape. Like the car is just running perfect how it is, and I'm still, because driving this car without AC, and especially living in Kona, is so hard because it gets really hot, gets humid, and it's hard to drive the car when it's, you know, it gets real uncomfortable when you're driving without AC, and it's like you can't even relax. But I'm stoked about it. Oh man, this car has come a long way and I'm pumped about it. I just hope that we don't lose any Freon AC. Then we're gonna have to find out where the leak is, but I'm stoked that it's holding up right now. I picked up the odor remover from BMW where I work. This one's pretty much just kind of remove all the musty smells inside the car, but since we cleaned the whole blower motor housing, everything else smells good. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of run this. This odor smell gives a nice smell of mint, which I really like. So gotta go ahead and push it in. I'm gonna set this on max speed. We're gonna push this down, it's gonna lock, it's gonna spray right open. We will run about 5 minutes having the door closed, and then we'll leave the door open for another 5 minutes, and that's about it. So we picked up this can Freon to recharge the AC system, only because I have no idea what was going on with this. I noticed that dye was leaking out of this fitting here, and Freon was kind of leaking out somewhere around this area. I was watching the gauge the whole time, and every time I try to fill the Freon in the AC system, it would have been moved the needle. I don't know if it's just me that I have no idea how to properly work this thing, or something else. Feels like the Freon was recharging the system, but slowly. I ended up going downtown to just pick this thing up. 20 seconds, just refilling it to spec, which is 18 ounce for the Evo. And it took the whole Freon out of this can, and now she is blowing 100% ice and cold. Today's goal was to get the AC running, and we actually did it. AC blows 100% cold, feels so good. I might steal my wife's car and end up driving it more daily than mine. Just have my car sit for a couple months and we'll just drive her car. We got the best of both worlds. 2 Evos, we got AC, my car is fast, hers one is not. But it's a perfect daily car, especially how she runs right now. But in the near future, we will turn this car up. Not too sure when though, because we still have a lot of stuff that we really need to do before we can go ahead and put some performances and get this car fast. But overall, I really want to have my wife drive this car at least tomorrow, so that way she can get used to the clutch and everything else on the car. In the last video, I did mention that the noise was coming from the right rear, so thinking that it is the wheel bearing, and I don't know how I even not noticed the noise. Maybe just because I had the windows down, or I just had my AirPods on, I was just listening to music and probably didn't hear it. But now we need to fix that. But that's okay though, because we got this car running and driving, and hopefully nothing else goes wrong, which is not though. This may be a short video, but today is Thanksgiving, so I'm gonna wrap up the video. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Hope you guys enjoy spending time with your family. I'm thankful for everything Thankful for waking up in the morning, another day of breath, another day of life. My family, friends, my supporters, thank you guys so much for everything you guys do and supporting me in the channel. And it's been a great journey vlogging for over a year now, and I'm super excited to see what holds in the future. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, guys. Aloha, and I'll see you guys on the next one.